This past Sunday night, it was dark, cold, and snowing on this back road in Monmouth when the sergeant on duty somehow managed to track the woman down against all odds.
A lot of people on the outside of Monmouth don't even realize we have a department, and they most think that things don't happen here, and they actually do.
Sunday night was a good example of that. Sergeant Dana Westling gets a call around 11 that a woman has been missing for several hours.
We need to find her. It's snowing really heavily, it's cold out, so we have a limited amount of time before she gets hurt.
He set out with another officer in training while also calling for more people to help with the search. Before they could get there, he noticed a set of tracks in the snow along a back road by the edge of town.
I looked out my driver window with my flashlight, and I saw her or a person crawling on their hands and knees about 25 yards from the road.
Sergeant Westling tells us the woman was having a mental health crisis. She was a few miles from home and headed toward the woods when they found her. He's sharing the story with us because he wants people to know that these situations can have good outcomes.
My one thing is that I want to make a difference. It used to be, the blue lights and the guns and all the excitement, but it's more about making a difference. And if I can do that with one person in one shift, that makes me happy.
That woman was showing signs of hypothermia when the officers reached her. She was reunited with her family and eventually taken to the hospital. It's unclear how she's doing now, but the department does plan to reach out to get more info a little bit later on this week. In Monmouth, Tyler Cataract, WMTW News 8.